Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to know the color code of an image here in Canva. Now, I have this image just here, and let's say I wanted to know the color code of this red just here. This is really useful if you're trying to match brand colors, recreate a product palette, or keep your Shopify store visuals consistent. Now, first off, we need to choose something which we can change the color on. Now, for this instance, we're going to use this background. So, if we click onto the background, we're going to see the color icon. This step is important because Canva only reveals the color picker and hex code when a color editable element is selected. Now, if we click on here, then come to the plus icon, we can then use this eyedropper just here. Now, if we click on there, we can choose any color from our image, and it's going to change the background to that color and give us the hex code just here. This eyedropper tool lets you sample colors directly from photos, graphics, or product images. So, let's go ahead and take this red. Let's say we want that. We hover over, we click, and now the background has been changed to the red in this image. But if we look over here, we now have the hex code color of that part of the image, which you can copy and reuse across other Canva designs or even in your Shopify theme settings. So, nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to know the color code of an image here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this playlist packed of Canva tutorials.